Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I got this JKS adjustable track bar front, part number JKOGS121, and I'm going to be installing that in my 2014 Wrangler JKU that I've been working on. I already got the old track bar out, and that was a struggle. So now we're going to move forward, get the new one in. And we're going to use some anti-seize so that you can see the threads don't have any. And this is my old bolt. It's already got some rust. So we're going to anti-seize that as well. Using an anti-seize compound will prevent any further headaches in the future. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. First thing I got to do is straighten out the axle. So I got two big jacks that are sitting loosely underneath the front bumper. We're going to have to attach something to the axle to the frame, and I got to pull it over to the passenger side just a bit. There's many ways you could do this. I'm just measuring from the frame to the rotor, both sides, kind of give me an estimate on where I need to be, on which way I need to pull the axle to make this happen. I connected the come along to the C on the axle and to the D-ring mount on the bumper. And right now, what I'm doing right now is ratcheting it to slide the axle over, which I need to do. Taking another measurement, make sure that I'm within 1/8 of an inch, even a 1/16. And once that's completed, I can get my track bar and get it into place. Like I said, make sure everything's anti-seized. Now, if you are just replacing the track bar, you didn't install lift, you didn't do anything, you can most likely just pull the track bar out, put the new one in. But since I redid the whole suspension, I have to go this route to make it happen. So now I got the upper in. Like I said, this is adjustable. So as you can see, it doesn't quite fit. So I just need to rotate it until I get it in. More anti-seize because I'm using a Falcon shock. So I just want to get it in, get it started, and then put that track bar tab back in. And then start doing it by hand. You can kind of feel it when it starts going into place. And then with this setup, you can't properly torque it, so you can only use a wrench to tighten it up as best as you can because of the long stud which will go onto the steering stabilizer. And then tighten down the upper, remove the come along, and then the axle shouldn't shift at all. Do another measurement if you feel that it's needed. And lastly, don't forget to tighten up the jam nut. That's very important. There you have it. Installed the track bars pretty easy. Hardest part for me was just getting the old one out. Took about 3 hours of cutting it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.